Lighting plays a critical role in making your route look realistic and helping AR elements blend naturally with the video. Let's walk through the essentials. Lighting setup is required for every route. You must set at least one keyframe for light direction and one for the lighting parameters. Start with the light direction. This controls the angle of light and shadows. Set it early, ideally at the beginning of the route, to match the sun's direction in your video footage. Choose a spot with visible real-world shadows so you can compare. Once set, the light direction will auto-adjust during the route. Next, adjust light intensity. Lower it for cloudy scenes or tunnels to prevent AR objects from standing out too much and appearing to float. Fine-tune the shadow strength so virtual elements match your real-world shadows. This adds realism and depth to the ride. Lastly, adjust the color temperature, about 6000 K for midday and around 2700 K for sunrise or sunset. Done right, lighting makes your route seamless and immersive. So take a moment to match it correctly to your video. It makes all the difference.